Welcome! If you want to make your Roblox account more secure and recoverable, adding your phone number is a smart move. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to add your phone number on Roblox so you can keep your account safe and easily reset your password if needed. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots labeled More. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where you can manage all of your account details. From the Settings menu, select Account Info. This section contains your personal information and security options. Now, under the Account Info section, look for the phone number area. You'll see an option that says Add Phone. Go ahead and tap on that. A new screen will pop up, asking you to enter your country code and phone number. Make sure to select the correct country code for your region, then carefully type in your phone number. Double-check to make sure everything is correct. This is important for verification. Once you've entered your phone number, tap Verify. Roblox will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Check your messages, find the code, and enter it into the app. This step confirms that the phone number belongs to you. After you've entered the verification code, you're all set. Your phone number is now linked to your Roblox account. This will make it easier for you to recover your account if you ever forget your password, and it adds an extra layer of security. And that's it. Adding your phone number to Roblox is quick and easy, but it can make a big difference in keeping your account safe. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!